This is the final part of our special report. It's about holding public officials accountable and making sure the public can do the same. Now, our reporting is having some impact. 2 examples. Post-conviction attorneys are investigating multiple cases, and the state bar did discipline Otis, putting more information into the public record. But those things happened after we exposed what happened. We're taking action to make sure it is not hidden in the first place, because at every step in our investigation, the secrecy has been used as an excuse and as a shield, especially by the Maricopa County Attorney's Office, who hired Judge Otis to be a death penalty prosecutor. This is Maricopa County Attorney Rachel Mitchell. She declined a sit-down interview request. So at a recent press briefing, we asked about her office's hiring of former Judge Aaron Otis to be a death penalty prosecutor. Recently, the State Bar of Arizona admonished one of your death penalty prosecutors, Aaron Otis, for her conduct on the bench, and then also for her communications with this office while she was on the bench seeking employment. You were in communication with Ms. Otis while she was a sitting judge, texting her about certain job opportunities. Was that appropriate for you to do as a division chief at the time, to be texting with the sitting judge and not making sure that conflicts were discussed and checked?
I've issued a statement about that to you in the past, as you know, and that simply was a matter of somebody who used to work here asking what the current salary structure is for this office, and me just simply telling her what that was. I was not in any position to negotiate employment.
Read the text messages for yourself. Mitchell asks, "What do you want to do?" Otis responds, "Probably a supervisory position or capital unit." Mitchell replies, "Bureau Chief of Family Violence." Otis, "That would be great."
CR 2010-370.
And don't forget the history here. At the time, Otis was still presiding over a major murder case and was under judicial investigation. The State Bar admonished her for her discussions with this office, about jobs. So if that's not appropriate for her, is that appropriate for you?
I was not admonished in any way by the State Bar for anything that happened.
Well, of course, you weren't under investigation, but...
Well, David, you can try to portray that as me negotiating contract.
You're using the word negotiating. I'm not. You were discussing job opportunities with the sitting judge, and I'm surprised, I guess, that a division chief and now the sitting county attorney didn't think that that perhaps raises some appearance of impropriety and being too close to the bench. And clearly it did, because the State Bar hit her for it.
What I did was I informed her of what the new salary structure was, because it
You didn't.
changed
That's
since she
not.
left.
That's not what the text message shows. You discuss specific jobs, bureau chief or capital. How do those sound to you? That's your text message.
I was simply giving her the salary structure, and the salary structure is dependent upon what jobs the person takes. So, no, I don't feel like anything was wrong in that. And again, as I said, the bar has fully investigated it. The Judicial Conduct Commission has investigated other things, and they've made the statement, and that is my statement in this matter.
Throughout our investigation, we could not get straight answers from MCAO about whether the office knew Otis was under judicial investigation when they hired her. In a carefully worded statement sent at the beginning of our reporting, they didn't directly answer the commission's secrecy used as their excuse. In this instance, the complaint was dismissed after the employee was hired, so the complaint and dismissal was not something we had access to at the time of hiring. But we later learned MCAO did know about Otis's judicial investigation, and they knew months before our reports. They also tried to keep it hidden from the public. Remember the case about Josiah English? One of the first prosecutions Otis took on after she left the bench.
Thank you, you too, if I don't see.
In that case, the attorneys helping English raised Otis's judicial investigation in a motion. MCAO then quickly asked the judge to seal information about it. They used the commission's secrecy as a shield. MCAO wrote, "There is no legitimate need for anyone not connected to the case to read such allegations. The defense attorney's motion connects Otis's name to the complaint, which should not be made public."
What I will say about Erin is that she is an excellent prosecutor who's dedicated her career to public service. Nobody is perfect, and when somebody does make a mistake, I expect them to take responsibility for it. I expect them to be held accountable for it, and then I expect everybody to strive to do better.
So do you feel that she is an ethical enough person to prosecute people in death penalty cases.
I accept her statement that she's taken responsibility for her actions. I accept the fact that she's been looked at and has been admonished by 2 different state agencies. And yes, I accept that she is going to strive to do better. And if you have information that that's not the case, then I would be interested in looking at that.
So
I mean, do you have information that this type of behavior is ongoing?
Have you read the State Bar's final findings?
I'm asking you, do you have information that this is ongoing?
The Maricopa County Attorney's Office paid for Otis's bar defense, more than $25,000 in taxpayer money. And instead of answering our question about whether she read the bar's investigation, Mitchell started trying to ask us questions. I'm asking about the Judicial Commission. I'm asking about the State Bar's investigation into matters that went on. I guess I'm surprised why you're trying to now twist it to ask me to give you proof of your employee's option in something that I'm not asking about.
Well, that doesn't actually answer my question.
Well,
but
because
what
I
will
ask the
say-
questions, though. I'm the journalist, and you're the public official, and that's why I'm
Well,
here.
and I'm clarifying.
Because no one has agreed to an interview on this throughout the entire year.
David, I've talked to you on the phone about this. I've issued statements to you. This office has issued statements to you. You've been
We've not had an
talked to
interview like this
repeatedly.
moment right now. You've spoken to me on the phone where I've spoken to your press people, and you sit there, but you have not really spoken.
I have talked to you
that's not a
personally
fair
one-on-one on the phone on this, and I've issued personal statements. And I'm sorry that that's not sufficient for you.
Here's a recent example. The State Bar confirmed they have disciplined Maricopa County death penalty prosecutor Aaron Otis. In late October, ABC15 got the results of the State Bar investigation. We reached out multiple times, both to Mitchell and Otis, for comment and an interview. Neither acknowledged our requests or responded in any way. Now, to pick up where Mitchell left off.
And I'm sorry that that's not sufficient for you. What I'm saying is if there are additional concerns, I'm willing to listen to them.
Okay.
I've listened to you. Are there any other questions?
Now, we've spent a year investigating, and we still have too many unanswered questions. That's an issue, and that's why we're now looking at ways to end the secrecy. We just brought on one of the country's top First Amendment attorneys to help us explore our legal options. Our goal is to change the way the commission does business and to open up their files. And it's not just for us, it's for you, the public. And we'll keep you updated because we believe it should not be this hard to get information about our public officials. As you heard one expert put it earlier, the secrecy breeds corruption. I'm investigator Dave Biskobing. Thank you for watching.